The first-time homebuyer credit is something that's overlooked nowadays. It's something that was effective in 2008, 9, and 10. But what we have to worry about today is making sure that you don't overlook repaying any amount of the credit that you have to repay. For 2008, it was treated more like an interest-free loan. In 2010, you have to start repaying whatever credit you took on your 2008 return for a first-time home buyer, and that has to be repaid over 15 years. For 2009 and 2010, there was no repayment required unless you no longer used that home as your principal residence, or if you sold that home within 36 months after you purchased it, or if, and since we just had an earthquake, if it was destroyed somehow and you did not replace it within 2 years. To either pay the taxes, to let the IRS know it was destroyed, and if you owe tax if you don't replace it within 2 years. In all of those situations, you have to file Form 5405 with the return and disclose the information requested in order to let the IRS know exactly where you stand in the process. To find out if you owe anything on 2008, or if in the other situations how much you would owe in the amount of the credit, you can go to irs.gov, First-Time Homebuyers Credit Worksheet, fill in the information requested, and the IRS will on their website show you exactly how much credit you took and what you might be liable to repay.